Welcome back to JRNY TV. In today's episode, we are diving into the top 5 most recent developments in the XRP ecosystem. From hitting $3 for the very first time in 7 years to a staggering $38 billion accumulation wave, XRP is stealing the spotlight. We'll also explore how JP Morgan's predictions on XRP ETFs could shape its future and how the new Trump administration's plans for a crypto policy overhaul might finally bring clarity to XRP's ongoing battle with the SEC. Let's get into it. Let's start with a big headline. XRP has officially crossed the $3 mark, something we have not seen in 7 years. This milestone represents more than just a price move. It's actually a testament to XRP's resilience and growing momentum in the crypto market. Analysts are now settling their sights on $4 by 2025. Hello, it is 2025. This is driven by increasing institutional interest in Ripple's expanding use cases in cross-border payments. This surge comes on the heels of Ripple's partial victory against the SEC, which boosted investor confidence and reinforced the legitimacy of XRP as a utility-focused cryptocurrency. With Ripple continuing to form partnerships with major financial institutions worldwide, XRP is solidifying its position as a leader in the remittance and payment sector. The growing adoption of blockchain technology in traditional finance is only adding fuel to the fire. At $3, XRP is already showing signs of a very strong recovery. But $4 is more than achievable. Analysts, they're pointing to upcoming catalysts, such as the possibility of a spot ETF, increasing liquidity, and growing retail and institutional demand. If the momentum holds, XRP could reclaim its status as one of the top performing assets in the crypto market. If XRP's recent price action wasn't bullish enough, here is another jaw-dropping stat. XRP millionaires have accumulated a staggering $38 billion worth of XRP. This massive wave of accumulation underscores the growing confidence among whales and high net worth investors in the future of Ripple's native token. This isn't just casual buying. This is strategic positioning for what many believe will be a pivotal moment in XRP's history. Whales have been steadily increasing their holdings over the past few months, betting on long-term gains as Ripple continues to expand its influence in the global financial ecosystem. Such large-scale accumulation often signals a very strong belief in future price appreciation, adding even more fuel to the bullish sentiment surrounding XRP. Whales often act as a market trendsetter, and their actions, they can significantly impact both market sentiment and price movements. This accumulation wave is not only validating XRP's potential, but also creating a solid foundation for future growth. For retail investors, this could be a sign to pay close attention to what's happening with the XRP community right now. JP Morgan analysts have joined the bullish chorus, predicting that XRP ETFs could attract massive institutional investments, following the footsteps of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. With XRP's focus on solving real-world problems in cross-border payments, it is uniquely positioned to appeal to traditional finance. The introduction of a spot ETF would likely unlock billions in new capital, opening the floodgates for institutional adoption. ETFs act as a gateway for traditional investors, providing an accessible and regulated way to gain exposure to digital assets. XRP's expanding ecosystem, combined with its proven utility, makes it a prime candidate for this type of financial product. Analysts believe that the launch of an XRP ETF could bring much-needed legitimacy and liquidity to the asset, further driving its adoption. If the predictions hold true, XRP could see a price surge similar to what Bitcoin and Ethereum experienced post-ETF launches. The introduction of an XRP ETF would mark a major milestone, not just for Ripple, but for the broader adoption of altcoins in the financial world. For investors, this could be the tipping point that takes XRP to the next level. With the new Trump administration gearing up to take office, reports are already circulating about a potential overhaul of the SEC's crypto policies. One of the most significant changes being discussed is a pause on enforcement actions, which could have far-reaching implications for XRP. The SEC's battle with Ripple has been a central issue for the crypto industry, and a shift in regulatory approach could bring some much-needed clarity. Under Gary Gensler's leadership, the SEC adopted a hardline stance on crypto, with Ripple bearing the brunt of this aggressive enforcement. Trump's SEC, however, is reportedly considering a much more balanced approach, focusing on creating clear guidelines instead of pursuing litigation, a huge change. This could pave the way for Ripple to operate without the constant threat of legal challenges, potentially accelerating XRP's adoption in both retail and institutional markets. For XRP holders, this policy shift could be a game changer. A more lenient regulatory environment would not only remove existing barriers, but also attract new investors who were previously hesitant due to legal uncertainties. If Trump's SEC delivers On these promises, XRP could be among the biggest beneficiaries, further solidifying its bullish outlook for 2025 and beyond. Despite Gary Gensler stepping down as SEC chair on January 20th, the agency is not letting up on its appeal against Ripple. The ongoing legal battle focuses on whether XRP's institutional sales qualify as securities, and an issue that Ripple has fought tooth and nail to contest. While Ripple secured a partial victory in 2023, the SEC's decision to press on with its appeal shows the regulatory uncertainty is far from over. This continued push from the SEC, it's left many in the crypto space frustrated. Rightly so. It contradicts the hope for a fresh start under new leadership. Ripple, however, remains confident in its position, emphasizing that the initial ruling was a step forward toward regulatory clarity for the entire crypto industry. The appeal's outcome could set a precedent that impacts not just XRP, but the broader market as well. For XRP investors, the ongoing legal saga is a double-edged sword, if you will. While it creates short-term uncertainty, a favorable outcome could solidify XRP's position as a leading crypto asset. The stakes are higher than ever before. In the next few months, they'll be crucial, and they will be critical for Ripple's future. And that's a wrap for today's XRP-focused episode on JRNY TV. From hitting $3 and aiming for $4, to massive whale accumulations and the potential for ETFs, XRP's bullish momentum is impossible to ignore. Plus, with Trump's SEC planning big changes, the regulatory tides could finally turn in Ripple's favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.